Hello students, welcome to today's online class. This is Faruque Hossain, an English teacher of Dighinala Govt High School. Today I will take a class about an important topic of English second paper of class 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12 also, and the topic is substitution table. When this topic comes to the mind of the students, they think that this might be difficult to practice, but please don't think like that. Actually, if you want to practice it with your heart, it will be easy for you. Okay, before practicing an example, I want to tell you that you have to know the common thing of English grammar. You have to have some ideas about sentence, tense, verbs, sentence patterns, and the Bengali meaning. Each and every pattern, you have to have at least some ideas. If you don't have any idea, or if you have very less idea about English pattern, the Bengali meaning of the given example in the question paper, then it will be difficult to you. Okay, today I will show you how to practice or how to form 5 sentences from a table, and if you practice 1 or 2 tables each day, I think you will feel better when you start exercising it. So let's start practicing a table. You can see here in a table there are 3 columns, A, B and C. In A column there should be, or there might be 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 items, and in B column there also might be 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 items. But in C column there must be 5 items. Why? Because you have to form 5 complete sentences by using these clues from the table. So you will have 5 items in column C, but in column A and B you can get, or you may get, less than 5 items. Okay, so here, before practicing this table, you have to set up your mind that you have to understand the Bengali meaning of the items of column A, column B and column C respectively. Then you may have to some ideas about the topic. How can you gain or gather this kind of ideas? In our public examination or in our institution examination, you may be provided the known ideas, the known factors. Okay, the ideas will be less difficult. That means the ideas or the areas will be given into the table. It will be known. And see here, today's topic or today's idea is copying in the examination. Copying in the examination, that means porikhay nakol kora. This is a known factor, and this is a social crime, and this is a social problem for every country, for every institution like ours. So students have to be careful about it. So this is a known matter, and so seeing the first line or seeing the subject matter, you can have gathered the general thought or the general meaning or the general areas of these clues. Now you can try to make meaningful sentences from here. Okay, see the ideas here. In column A, there are copying in the examination, porikha nakol kora, it refers copying in the examination. Then there is the students who, chhatro chhatrira jara, and number 4, nothing, kichui na. That means you can clearly see here there are 4 items here. So here 3 items will be used once and 1 item will be used 2 times or twice. In column B, you can see clearly there are 4 items. Copy, nakol kora, is, amizer, a verb of amizer, cannot, the negative form of can, hinders, badha dewa. So there are 4 items. So you have to use 3 items once and you have to use 1 item twice. In third column, you are given complete 5 items and you have to use each and every item once. So let's start. First sentence can be copying in the exam. So after copying in the exam, you can take which verb or which item you can take from B column. You can take is. Copying in the exam is. Why is? Because copying is a subject that is called gerund, and if the subject is gerund, the verb is follows that gerund. So copying in the exam is porikhay nakol kora ekta samajik bedhi. So it should be copying in the exam is a social crime. Okay, next one. You can use it 2 times. You can create some assumption. You can create some assumption about using it, and you can use it in the place of copying in the examination. So number B should be the first sentence is A and now B. You can say like it hinders our education and development. Eti, that means porikha nakol kora. Eti আমাদের শিক্ষা এবং সামগ্রিক উন্নয়নকে বাধাগ্রস্ত করে. So number B can be it hinders our education and development. Now number C. Again you can use it. It cannot bring any benefit. এটি কোনো উপকার আনে না, এটা কোনো উপকারে আসে না. It cannot bring any benefit. Simple as easy. So how many left? 2 left. Number D should be the students who, ছাত্র ছাত্রীরা যারা copy, the students who copy, যে ছাত্র ছাত্রীরা নকল করে. In the exam, deceive themselves. যে স্টুডেন্টরা নকল করে পরীক্ষায় তারা নিজেরা নিজেদেরকেই ধোঁকা দেয়. So number D should be or can be the students who copy in the exam deceive themselves. Now the last one. The last one is left nothing. Nothing is as hateful as copying in the exam. So we can complete the last one easily. Why? It's very simple. Because the left one should be the last one. So the last one should be nothing is as hateful as copying in the exam. So you have seen here it is used 2 times and here is used 2 times, and this portion, each and every item of this column C portion just is used as once. So this is the simple way of solving this puzzle. Okay, so I want to tell you one thing again, that you have to have the ideas, you have to have the Bengali meaning of the given ideas in the table. And I can assure you, in the public examination, in the institution examination, you will be given the known ideas, you will be given the familiar ideas. But I am to tell you all, you have to practice more at home. Many students sit idly, just they keep in mind that they will do this by copying from their friends. As mentioned here, that doesn't come to your benefit. So you have to do it by yourself, by knowing the common pattern, common factor of English grammar. Okay, so thank you for doing this class with me. I hope if you follow this kind of strategy, you will be able to answer this and you will get maximum marks in the examination. So in our next class, we will do some more practice. Thank you all.